Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, now we see the introduction of chapter binomial distribution. In this chapter, we will learn about the topic that Bernoulli trial and probability distribution. Hello friends, now we see the introduction of chapter binomial distribution. In a day-to-day life, we come across many experiments which are dichotomous in nature. That is, they produce only two possible outcomes. For example, when a coin is a toss, the head and tail, these are two possible outcomes. Or if you consider the if we consider the manufacturer item, so it can be constructive or destructive. That is, it can be defective or non-defective. So in such a type of experiment, one outcome we consider as a success and other outcome we consider as a failure. So in this chapter, we go through some definitions, that is Bernoulli trial. And second one, we mostly learn about the theorem of probability distribution. Thank you.